My name is Faye Sayer Nguyen, and I am in chemical engineering in my final year at McMaster University. Within NSBE, I am this year's president of the National Society of Black Engineers McMaster chapter. The scholarship is important to me because it is a step in the right directions. It is time that a change happens within the Faculty of Engineering at McMaster University, and it is with great honor and privilege that I'm excited to announce the scholarships to future students and to future donors.
How I feel about the scholarship program is, well, very exciting, actually. I know, again, working with some kids in different communities who are Black, so having a scholarship that's targeted towards these groups, specifically Black students, it means a lot to me. And I was very excited to hear that.
I've always felt that there's a need to improve the number of Black and STEM students of color in McMaster and all universities in general. So I feel very great hearing that news.
I feel joy. I feel like finally this is the first step, in the right direction. I think that it's time, and that, it's unfortunate that it took the events that happened this year in 2020 to make it happen. I feel so much joy. I'm so excited to see, the recipients of the award and what they do with, their time here at McMaster, and even beyond their time here at McMaster.
For me, it means we're moving in the right step, given everything that's happened, not just this year, but with the whole Black Lives Matter movement. It shows that we're receiving support, and one thing that people don't realize is that Black people are talented beyond measure. So even if it's just one student that we're helping fulfill their professional career goals, that means a lot to me.
To our donors, I want you to know that every single penny from this fundraising campaign that we get, it is going to go directly towards our scholarship. I want you to know that what you are doing is not just going to benefit the student that is going to receive this, but it's going to benefit our society. As a society, we progress when there's equitable rights for all. We progress when diversity is welcomed. The more diversity we have on the table, the more changes that we can create in our society. So I want you to know that you are donating to a right cause, you are donating to make a change, and this is something that benefits us as a community, not just Black students, not just Black individuals, but people of all kinds in my community.